Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use frame generation, a powerful technology that enhances your gaming experience. Frame generation employs artificial intelligence to intelligently insert new frames between the ones your graphics card natively renders. This innovative process effectively doubles or even quadruples your perceived frame rate, leading to noticeably smoother gameplay. It also helps reduce the overall workload on your graphics processing unit, allowing for better performance in demanding titles. To begin using frame generation, you'll need compatible hardware. This typically includes a modern graphics card, like an NVIDIA RTX 40 series or an AMD Radeon RX 5000 series or newer. Additionally, it's crucial to enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling within your operating system's display settings. Always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest version for optimal performance and access to the newest features. Once your system is ready, activating frame generation is straightforward. First, enable the associated upscaling technology, such as deep learning supersampling or Fidelity FX Super Resolution, within your game's graphics options. Then, locate and toggle on the frame generation feature. For some titles, temporarily disabling vertical sync in the game settings can help ensure smooth activation and prevent potential conflicts. For the best experience, aim for a native frame rate of at least 60 frames per second before enabling frame generation. While it boosts visuals, be mindful of a slight increase in input latency, which might affect competitive gameplay. If you encounter visual artifacts or stuttering, ensure your game and graphics drivers are fully updated. Sometimes, adjusting in-game settings or disabling conflicting overlays can resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.